Hello everyone, it's Joel Huang. My oral presentation here topic is the human population growth. Generally speaking, in recent years, with the rapid development of science and technology, people's living condition improves a lot, and thus the world population experiences a huge increase. Actually, not only the developing countries but also developed nations face the problem of population explosion. According to a report that the United States has the largest population in the developed world, and it is only developed countries experiencing the significant population growth. Thus, the human population growth seems to become an essential international issue. Let's see some facts about human population. World population reaches the 7.3 billion as of the July 2015 and the first. Even with the high death rates of those living in poverty, the world population is still expanded at an incredible rate. The world's population is growing by 1.18% per year, or approximately an additional 83 million people annually. The global population is expected to reach 8.5 billion in 2030, 9.7 billion in 2050, and 11.2 billion in 2100. 50.4% of the world's population is male, and 49.6% is female. Right. Therefore, in this thesis, I would like to choose the topic of the human population growth discussed, and I'm hoping that both of our students and our society's citizens would hold a right attitude to this problem, and then try the best to solve the negative influence it brings to us. Through reading some related books, articles, and magazines and do some surveys, I have learned that this topic has already discussed by numerous scholars from many perspectives. Thus, I combine these scholars' opinion with my own ideas. I will mainly stretch my thesis from the current situations of human population. The reason why human population grows so much, the influence of this and the influence of this growth and the measures we should take to improve the situation. Since the human population growth is an essential issue in the world and that can influence every human being's life, it's already been seriously discussed by the host of scientists and scholars from all the world. While, as far as I'm concerned, the premise of the analyzing the topic of human beings' population growth is to make clear the definition of the importance of it. Through reading Snyder's An Introduction of Population Growth, it can be clearly know that the human population growth mainly describe how the size of the human population is changing over time, and the reason why it should be reached lies on that, and the reasons why it should be reached lies in that. On one hand, it can help the scientists make better predictions about future changes in population size and growth rates. On the other hand, it will want our human beings to establish a harmony relationship with the environment. Apart from emphasizing the importance of human population growth, some scholars also describe the current situation of it. According to the report, which was related by the United Nations Department of the Economic Social Affairs in 2013, that the Earth's human population is expected to be 9.6 billion to the 2050. And from the view of the geography, the rapid growth that mainly take place in some less developed countries and low-income countries, such as the countries in Africa. Actually, human population growth is such a normal thing, but its fast speed raises people's panic and begin to explore the reasons why it increased so fast. In the article, The Challenges of Population Growth, the researchers firstly indicate that the world population will reach 9 billion in 2050 according to the recent growth rate. Then the citizen then they criticized that the less population policy and lack of the female education are two main factors result to this situation. While through listing some examples and interpreting the formal studies, the author of Human Population Growth and Climate Change argues that the unsustainable human population growth is the chief of the increasing greenhouse gas in the air. Thus, in order to decrease the air pollution, the most effective way is to control the rates of human population growth. However, different from the other scholars, Albert believes that the rapid human population growth have a close relationship with the technology and democracy. Thus, in order to demonstrate his idea, Albert lists numerous interviews examples. Compare with analogizing the reasons why the human population grows so fast. More scholars would like to explore this influence to the world and our human beings, and then point out some suggestions. Paul and Anne are the representative scholars, for they are not only vivid describe how this grows populations depleting the common resource in the world, but also point out some immediate issues that will save the world in the population explosion. Similar to Paul and Anne, David King once said the massive growth in the human population through the 20th century has had more impact on biodiversity than any other single factor. Although there are already many scholars concentrating on exploring the problem of human population growth, it's still meaningful for us students to discuss it because this is a changeable and sustainable developed problem. Through analyzing the former research, it can be clearly known that the rapid growth of human population are mainly rely on the lack of the population policy and people's lower educational level, while making the animal and plant species are endangered and the air pollutions are mainly negative influences. Since our human beings are much relying on the world, everyone should try his or her best to concern these issues and establish a harmonious society. Thank you.